If you use Pensight and you receive this error that I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you how to fix it very quickly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, creatives, as well as authors. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and if you want, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. So this is going to be a short, quick video. In my last video, I was showing you guys how to use the email automation in Pensight. And when I was doing so, I could not actually confirm because I received this message. So if you ever receive this message, I'm going to show you what to do. So basically this message is saying, would you like to finalize this email automation? And it told me in red that my marketing emails have been suspended on my account. Okay. Which was very alarming to me because I hardly ever use the email marketing portion in Pensight, but it could be something that was crazy. We never know. So I decided to send the email to Pensight. So here is Pensight's email, info@pensight.com. I sent it on March the 6th, I believe. No, I sent it, that's tomorrow. I sent it on March the 4th, and they got back with me right away, like the next morning. I sent it like that evening time, and they got back with me right away. So I did receive an email saying that the reason why I got that message is because my email looked like my email sending was under review due to a higher than normal bounce rate. If you don't know what bounce rate means, is when people put in emails into your systems and they're not valid emails. And people do this all the time, not on purpose, really. Sometimes you may, you know, put the wrong letter or, something when we're, especially on our phones, we're typing so fast. So I got a higher than normal bounce rate. So a few of my past emails went to inboxes that were not functional anymore. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go in here and clean up my inbox, my emails in Pensight, see who's active and who's not, and then make sure whoever is active, if they want to be on my list. So I'm going to reach out. I may do it individually. I might have to do it individually or get my assistant to do it because that's going to take some time to make sure who's valid and who's not. Okay, but my emails are now being reinstated, so I can launch my automation now. Okay, so if you get this message, check through your emails and make sure people are actually putting in emails that are working. Again, it's not something that is not a hard thing, or it's not something that you have to worry about, but it happens. Okay, it happens all the time. I use ConvertKit for my email to build my email list, and sometimes I get bounce emails sometimes, so it happens. Clean it up, contact Pensight, and then you'll be able to get up and running. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that this helped you out, and we'll see you soon.